Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Demi. My husband and I moved from Dallas to Vietnam, and we've been here about 6 weeks. After weeks of apartment shopping, we finally found the apartment that we love, that best suits us. I figured I would show y'all around. I was on my way to the gym and I was already down here, so I'm like, let me show y'all the grounds first and then take you to see the amenities before showing you the apartment. The footage that you will see will be from when we first moved in because we're still getting settled. So it'll be from when we first moved in. Okay, so let's go take a look at the amenities. We'll walk around and see what all they have out here. There's always someone out here taking care of the grounds, but it's Tet right now, so it's kind of empty. And I think a lot of people went home. Actually, there's somebody over there right now. I thought they would have went home with their family. Very well maintained. I love it. These apartments are called the Mastery in the Vinh Homes Grand Park area in District 9 in Ho Chi Minh City. And I did want to make a note that when you rent in the Vinh Homes area, you do have to pay a monthly fee that goes towards the upkeep of the area. So I have on shoes, of course, so I'm not gonna go over there, but you have to take your shoes off right here before you can go into that area. It looks really nice. I haven't been over to the pool yet. So again, you have to take off your shoes before you come over here, and I have tennis shoes on, but this is the kids' play area. This coffee shop over here is super cute. The coffee is amazing. And I think you can only enter from this way. I don't think it's like a public coffee shop. I'm not sure. I love that the apartment complex has a lot of areas that are centered around family and community. There's a lot of sitting areas. There's places for kids to play, the barbecue areas. The play area is super cute. I don't have kids, but it looks fun. So it's kind of like a complex of a whole bunch of apartments in this area, different towers. And I believe all have their own gym, or most of them have their own gym, their own lounge area, own reception. They're building a school right here, but they say that construction should end soon, like they're almost done with it. The outdoor bathroom. Okay, so we're back to where we started. So let's go in and take a look at the amenities. So we are finally in the apartment at the entryway, and when we first toured this apartment, we really did like the color scheme, and we liked that it was a little bare so that we can shop and decorate it to make it our own. One of the major selling points of the apartment was the balcony and the view. We did end up going shopping to look for patio furniture, but I will show the process of that in a future video. Another selling point was that both doors open for maximum airflow. As you can see, the living area is very spacious, but we would like to put a rug under this table just to kind of bring the room together a little bit more. I love the open concept floor plan because when we were touring other apartments, they either had the kitchen sectioned off or behind the door entirely. The kitchen came with absolutely no cooking or dining utensils, so we will have to go to the store and get that on our own. But that is a small price to pay so that we could secure this apartment because it came with an oven. That is very rare in Southeast Asia. The owner of the condo is actually from Canada, and you can tell by the more westernized amenities like the bigger refrigerator and the oven. The secondary bedroom comes with either a full-size or a queen-size bed. I can't remember, but it's still very spacious and it has floor-to-ceiling windows with an amazing view still. When we were apartment shopping, our main concern was the bathrooms. We did want a more westernized bathroom that had the separated shower versus the more traditional Vietnamese bathrooms that is like a wet bath. We were really hoping to get an apartment with a washer and dryer combo, and we even played with the idea of renting a dryer, but so far it hasn't been an issue. It just takes longer for the clothes to dry. The primary bedroom comes with a king-size bed and it has a bigger, more spacious wardrobe. We love the fact that every room in the apartment has amazing views. The only downside is that you can see into other people's apartments. At night, you can be laying in bed and look over and see someone else laying in bed too. The primary bathroom comes with an upgraded toilet. I've always called it a Japanese style toilet, but I'm not sure the exact name. This is an absolutely massive apartment compared to what we thought we were going to get in Southeast Asia, where the apartments are more traditionally smaller. There is a huge mall directly across the street from the apartment complex, so we went over there to the co-op grocery store to get cleaning supplies and get utensils so that we can get settled into the apartment. If you want to come on this journey with us to stock up the apartment and go furniture shopping, make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see how life is in Vietnam. Thank you so much for the support and see you all in the next video.